In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your address on Gusto, an intuitive and popular online payroll and HR solutions platform that scores high marks for user satisfaction. Changing your address on Gusto is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure your information is updated correctly. Whether you've recently moved or are simply inputting your address for the first time, this guide will walk you through the process from start to finish. First things first, head over to the Gusto website. Gusto has designed their platform to be user-friendly and accessible, making it a go-to resource for your payroll and HR needs. So, start by navigating to their homepage. Once you're on the Gusto homepage, you'll need to access your account. To do this, look for the Sign In button. It should be fairly easy to find, typically located at the top right-hand corner of the page. Clicking this button will take you to the login page, which is your gateway to accessing your Gusto account and its features. Many of us use various online services daily, and remembering every single password can be a hassle. Gusto simplifies this by offering a Sign In with Google option. If your Gusto account is connected to your Google account, this feature is especially convenient. Click on the Sign In with Google button and you'll be directed to choose from the Google accounts currently logged in on your device. This step not only streamlines the login process, but also adds an extra layer of security to your account access. Select the Google account you've linked to your Gusto account. Ensure you choose the correct one to avoid any login issues. Once you've successfully authenticated yourself with your Google account, you'll be redirected back to the Gusto platform, now logged in and ready to proceed with updating your address. Now logged into your Gusto account, it's time to navigate to the settings where you can update your personal information. Look for the Settings option. In most user interfaces, this is symbolized by a gear icon, but on Gusto it could also just be text labeled as Settings. This option is usually found in either the top right hand corner of the screen or within a sidebar menu depending on Gusto's current layout. Within the Settings menu, you should find a section dedicated to personal information or similar. Keep an eye out for an option that says Email with a change link nearby. It might seem a bit counterintuitive since we're looking to update the address, not the email, but in Gusto your contact information is grouped together, making all personal adjustments centralized for user convenience. Clicking on the change link will open up the fields where you can update your personal information, including your address. This is where you'll input your new address information. Be sure to double check for any typos or errors. It's crucial that this information is accurate for payroll and HR purposes. Your address affects where important documents may be sent and can have tax implications, among other things, making accuracy all the more vital. Once you've entered your new address, the process for updating it on Gusto's end might include security checks or confirmation steps to ensure that changes are made legitimately and with your consent. Follow any additional prompts, which might include saving your changes or confirming the update via email. And that's it. You've successfully updated your address on Gusto. It's a simple process, but one that's important for keeping your account current and ensuring that your payroll information is accurate. Remember, staying on top of these updates is not just about compliance, it's also about convenience and security. Should you need to update any other personal information in the future, you'll now know exactly where to go and what to do. Gusto's platform is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, but if you ever find yourself needing assistance, their customer support team is just a call or click away. They're known for their helpful service and can guide you through any platform-related questions or concerns you might have. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Keep this guide handy for any future changes, and here's to a simplified, efficient payroll and HR experience with Gusto.